Folks, we've been having some really crazy weather this winter. And because of that, I have been receiving a lot of questions. Now, one that I received is from Larry R. in Baton Rouge, who wants to know why his ABS brakes and ASR didn't keep him from sliding into a Jersey wall in a recent snowstorm. Now, the answer to that is, well, it's complicated. First, you must understand that nothing can replace the human mind behind the wheel of a car. No matter how advanced your car is, or how many gadgets and nannies it has, nothing can think like a human. Perhaps in the future, but right now, in a car, no way, no how. To understand Larry's problem, you first must understand how modern electronic controls like ABS, which stands for anti-lock brake system, and ASR, or anti-slip regulation, work, and why you still have to know how to drive. Both ABS and ASR rely on multiple sensors that tell your car's computer information about its wheels and direction of travel. First, ABS looks at the speed of each wheel during braking. If one wheel is turning slower or not turning at all, the computer assumes it has lost traction, has locked up, and is sliding rather than creating friction to stop the car. Now, this is a great way to lose control. So the computer releases the brake on the wheel that lost traction. This allows it to regain traction to help stop the car and maintain control. Now, as soon as the wheel has regained traction, the ABS reapplies the brake on that wheel, allowing it to help stop the car. ASR is similar, but looks at a lot more things, including if the car is traveling in the direction the steering wheel is telling it to go, or is it out of control and sliding. Now, if the various ASR sensor signals don't match, the computer assumes the car is out of control and applies the brakes to one or more wheels and releases the brakes on other wheels to get the car back on course. By applying or releasing a brake, the computer can alter the direction of travel. All this is amazing, but it relies on some basics to work. Namely, that the car's tires are on a surface where they can, if properly controlled, have traction or grip on the road surface. Think about this. If all four wheels are not turning, you're standing still, right? No wheels turning means you're stopped and the car isn't moving. Now, after all, you wouldn't want your brake pedal pulsing from ABS while you're sitting at a traffic light. So all the brake-related control systems are turned off when you're sitting still. In Larry's case, he found himself on a completely snow and ice-covered road because he wasn't smart enough to heed weather and traffic warnings, and because all four of Larry's tires were on a slippery surface when he applied his brakes, all four wheels locked up and all four wheels stopped turning. Now, these safety systems are amazing, but with all four wheels not turning because of ice and snow, the safety systems thought the car was standing still, perhaps at a red light or a stop sign, and they all shut down. Without his electronic nannies to help him, poor Larry had no clue what to do or how to control his car, and took a wild ride into a Jersey wall at 20 or so miles per hour. Lots of damage and a broken arm, simply because he did not know how to drive without the help of electronic nannies. Bottom line, if you don't know how to drive without electronics to keep you out of trouble, stay off the roads when there is snow and ice. The most amazing electronic systems are often confused by slippery roads. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently, and see you next time right here in Goss's Garage.